Hey what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your purchase could not be completed error on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just go back to your home screen and open up here settings app on your device, and then what you need to do is just here tap on your Apple ID banner name and scroll it below, and you have to sign out your Apple ID from here and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and sign in with your Apple ID, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again here launch settings app on your device and then scroll it below here and tap on screen time, and again scroll it down and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now tap on content here iTunes and App Store purchases, and now tap here on in-app purchases, and from here you have to make sure that the toggle is here at allow. So you have to check here at allow, and then what you need to do is just go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the third method. For that, again here on settings, and here in settings menu what you need to do is just tap here on general. So go all the way down here and tap on transfer or reset, and tap on reset, and from here reset network settings. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So tap on here reset network settings to confirm the process. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then go for the final method. For that, here in settings menu again tap on your Apple ID banner name and tap on media and purchases, and now view account. And from here what you need to do is just you have to scroll it below, and here is the purchase history. So tap on this and check if you have any unpaid subscription, please pay for them or remove them. And after that what you need to do is just go back here and tap on here manage payments, and from here what you need to do is just you have to manage your payments. So update your billing address here and double check your CVV number and expiry dates etc. So here you have to check this one. So here you can change or refresh your payment method here, billing address etc. So you have to also double check here as well, especially your zip code or city name, and then go back here. And after that what you need to do is just here tap on country or region, tap on change country or region, and from here you have to select your country from which your credit or debit card is made. Like I'm selecting here my country as United States, and from here are some terms and conditions, so read them carefully and tap here on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process here, and from here you have to select the payment method. So I'm selecting my payment method at none, and here you have to give your billing address. So carefully give your billing address, you can put fake information here as well, and here you have to give your city or states. Like I'm giving here my state as California, and here you have to give the zip code for your city or state. If you don't know about the zip code for your city or state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app, but in my case the zip code for California is 90201, and here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then after completing this tap on next, and it's done. So after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, like then subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment, I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.